Hi all, how's it going? This is Jeff from Landscaping Marketing Team, here to share some tips and information to you regarding the importance of ranking your website on the first page of Google. I will be showing you how we are able to help you guys outrank your competitors and to convert more customers to your company. We specialize in online marketing, web design, and search engine optimization, and we will be able to help you reach more online visibility. To help you understand how Google is actually ranking websites, we thought it would be helpful to create a short video to explain this. So let's start with going to Google to give you a small explanation on how Google is actually set up. So on to Google. At the top, we see shops which are using paid advertisements. As you probably are aware, nobody is actually looking or clicking on these ads anymore, which makes it kind of a waste of money for those who are spending big money for advertising. When we scroll down, we move over to Google's map pack, which is containing the top 3 competitors. I will share some more information regarding this later on in the video, explaining what is needed in order to get and maintain a position in the map pack, as this is where you want to be to attract more customers. So after the map pack, we see Google's organic rankings, which can be found right here. This is page 1, and this is actually where you want your company to be in, especially in the top, as these will generate tremendous amounts of customers to your company. So what we're going to do now is we're going to search for the keywords landscaping Los Angeles, and we're going to see if we're able to find you guys over in the map pack, or perhaps in the top 3 of Google in the organic rankings. Let's have a look. Well, you're definitely not in the map pack. Let's see if you might be in the top 3 of Google's organics rankings. Now we see some Yelps, some Angie's List, Wikipedia, we see Rainforest LA, we see HTV, nope, number 8, number 9. No, you're not on page 1, so let's have a look on page 2 of Google, see what we can find there. First we have the paid advertisements, of course, then the spruce numbered 11, 12, 15, 16, look. Here you are, number 17 on page number 2. Not too bad, to be honest, but you definitely need to be in the top 3 on page 1 of Google to convert some serious amounts of more customers to your website. So how can we help you rank higher in the organic part of Google, getting your website from place 17 on page 2 all the way to the top on the first page? Well, for starters, let me explain something about Google. Google is all about being popular. It's a popularity contest. So Google will rank you all the way to the top if other people or businesses are talking about you, know about you, trust you, and refer to you. You will need to be popular to be at the top. There are a few things that I want to jump into, not necessarily in detail, as I don't want to bore you guys, of course, but just so that you are aware of the things that we can help you guys with that will generate more customers to your company. I have a few tools in place that I will show the difference between your site ranking on number 17, page 2, versus, let's say, number 5. Rainforest LA ranking on number 5 on page 1. Just a quick note though, you'll see some other websites ranking number 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, here you have Wikipedia. I think there's Angie's List in it somewhere as well. This is because no other website has the right amount of quality and volume of content available for Google to rank, which is why these websites are placed on the top. Once we get started on your website, optimizing all the necessary parts, you won't be bothered by those websites outranking you anymore, as you have all the quality parts that Google is looking for, making you the most popular. But for now, let's start with comparing some organic numbers first, starting with the amount of pages that you guys have versus Rainforest LA. I've got a special tool in place for that, and it mentions that you currently have 66 pages available on your website. Let's compare those numbers to Rainforest LA to see what they have. And they have about 260 pages, which is quite substantial, and it's about 200 more than what you guys have. what we see here is that Rainforest LA also has a blog attached to their website, which means that they're blogging probably every other month about the services that they provide. That's not a big problem, as we are able to provide that service for you guys as well. We can start up a blog and add on blogs and other text messages month in, month out, just so you start ranking better and provide more content to your website. However, as I just mentioned, content plays a very important factor. So the amount of pages and quality content goes hand in hand. It's not so much about volume, it's about quality content that you have. But like I said, not to worry, we are able to fix this for you, creating some proper quality content, including more pages, to help you guys outrank Rainforest LA. So, next up, we have the backlinks. So, let me first explain what a backlink is. A backlink can be seen as a vote from other people. So, the more votes you have, the better you will rank. However, not every vote is created equally, meaning that some votes have more impact on your website than others have, as some websites have a bigger name, more trust, or more authority than other websites. The amount of backlinks that you guys currently have is 1,910 backlinks. Let's compare that to Rainforest LA, which has 4,720 backlinks. Again, just to be sure, it's not necessarily the number of votes, but the impact of those votes that will make the difference. We can help you guys, as we have a great directory in place, which enables us to create the backlinks with the necessary impact to beat your competitors. It's the quality of the votes that matter, not the quantity. The backlinks that you have will also indicate the amount of trust and authority that your website has. Let me show you by using a special tool that I have in place, just for you guys. So here you will see the numbers. I'm not going to dive into all of them, but I just want to let you know that the higher that these numbers are, the higher you will rank. Let's compare it to Rainforest LA. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, the numbers that they have are higher, which means they will also rank higher, which is also the case, right? Like I said, Google is all about popularity. So next up, I want to dive into the age of the website. As age is also well, it's not a big factor, but it's a small factor when it comes to Google's ranking. Like I said before, the age thing is not something that you can actually do something about, right? Rainforest LA, for example, was created all the way back in 2003. That's the created year of the company. If I take a look at the creation year of your company, or at least your website, it doesn't mention the year anywhere, which means that Google is not able to determine this either. Age of a website, of course, cannot be faked or changed. So the more reason to start with the factors that you can change, which are creating pages, creating more content, creating more quality content, and creating more quality, trusted, and authoritative backlinks. So, to quickly summarize, in order to rank your company's website to page 1, ranking number 1 of Google, the following changes will need to be made. 1, you need to create more pages, you need to create quality content, and you need to get more quality votes to your website. So, that's it for the organic part of Google. But how are we able to help you guys get to number 1 of the map pack in Google, which we can see over here? Well, this is actually a manual job that needs to happen. We have a list of hundreds of directories that we can contact, which enables us to get your company to the number 1 in the map pack, beating, in this particular case, Form LA Landscaping, and getting your store all the way to the top in the map pack. This is actually done by creating citations. But what is a citation exactly? Well, a citation is an online mentioning in a directory, for example, such as Yelp or TripAdvisor or something like that, that includes your company's name, your company's address, and your company's phone number. So the more citations that your company has, the higher you will rank here in the map pack. So in order to beat your competitor and keep on beating them, we want to keep on adding citations, beating your competitors month after month, year after year, keeping your spot on number 1. Some customers often wonder why not just skip the whole organic part of Google and focus purely on the map pack, as that's always on top of Google page number 1, right? Well, as a company, you want to be ranking on page 1 in the organic part of Google because no one from the outside can mess with the rankings in the organic part. It's a different story for the map pack, as people, or perhaps even competitors, could do some false reporting to Google, making Google, in an extreme circumstance, creating a negative impact on your rankings in the map pack, perhaps even deleting it entirely, leaving you with nothing, resulting in starting all over again. The more reason why you definitely want to be ranking in the organic part of Google first. So, I hope this little screencast has helped you guys out, and let us know if you need our help getting you to the top of Google. Just a quick note though, I saw that Xenoscapers is providing their services all around the south of California. You are ranking currently on number 17 for people searching for your services in Los Angeles. We can also help with ranking your company to the top for the surrounding areas by creating additional online presence for your company in that specific area. Meaning we will rank it all the way to the top of page 1, perhaps even the top 3 of that specific area. This will result in people from those surrounding areas searching, for example, for the specific keywords landscaping or any other preferred keywords to find your company on number 1 as well, resulting in an exponential growth of customers to your company in multiple locations. Again, I hope this screencast has helped you guys out. Let us know if you need our help, and we will help you generate more customers to your company. That's all for now. I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.